Today, leaders at the Natural Resources Committee hosted a forum to discuss their concerns on the recent budget cuts to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. The North States News' Vianna King was at the forum. She joins us now live with what the concerns leaders have at NOAA have. Vianna?
Ariana, the forum lasted over an hour as politicians along with wildlife fishery panelists discussed their frustration with what they're calling an attack on NOAA. The Trump administration has plans to lay off employees at the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration as part of a broader federal government plan, with reports suggesting the agency is planning to lay off over 1,000 employees, potentially impacting weather forecasting and other critical services. In a statement sent out by leaders at NOAA, they addressed the budget cuts by saying, in quote, "Our long-standing practice is not to discuss internal personnel and management matters. NOAA remains dedicated to its mission of providing timely information, research, and resources that serve the American public and ensure our nation's environmental and economic resilience. We continue to provide weather information, forecasts, and warnings pursuant to our public safety mission." End quote. Wednesday, leaders at the Natural Resources Committee hosted a forum to discuss their concerns on the recent budget cuts to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, by the Trump administration and Elon Musk's DOGE, as politicians and panelists came together to share their frustrations.
Over 1,000 NOAA employees have been fired or resigned, with plans to cut an additional 1,000, representing about 20% of the agency's workforce. Layoffs have included environmental modeling, critical for weather and climate prediction. As much as 25% of center staff have been cut.
Congressman Jared Huffman also chimed in during the meeting as he slammed the Trump administration and shared his disapproval for the recent budget cuts.
We are definitely talking about at least 10% of the NOAA workforce gone or on leave, and that is just devastating. So the assertion that this will somehow improve efficiency would really be laughable.
We are still waiting for clarifications as to the impacts to our Eureka NOAA office. As to how many layoffs have been made at this time, we will continue to keep you updated as we learn more. Live in Eureka, Vianna King, the North States News.